Welcome everybody to UVeye's first U.S. installation.
Next generation inspection technology to, in our case, automotive. And able to really change the game, whether you're a dealership, a fleet operator, or a rental car agency, to completely change the way inspections are done.
Okay, so now when a vehicle comes through, we do an underbody scan. The system will go ahead and identify any risks or anomalies found, such as we found on this particular vehicle here. We can also go right into tires. Here on this tire we found a broken belt, be missed by the eye.
Being able to present the drawings to the dealerships and show them how simple and how the layout will be.
The customer experience, the ability to show them their vehicle in real time, I think really presents a totally different dynamic to the write-up process.
Besides that you get to besides that, set up. If you're somebody who wants to bring cutting-edge technology to our vehicle, but really wants to do it in a way that improves the client and actually makes that client better, then UVeye is